Okay, hello and welcome. In this video I will explain this question. Write Python program to create vehicle class with two variables, two attributes. First of all, what the meaning of class? Class is a container. In programming, in object-oriented programming, class is a container. In a class we can put functions and variables. After we create the class, when we want to use the class, we should make a copy from the class. The copy of the class is called object. After creating an object, which is a copy of the class, we have to convert it to instance. Instance is a live object. Object is a copy from the class, but cannot have values, any values in the variables. If we want to put a values in the variables and want to use the functions inside the object, we should convert it to instance. This is the solution. How to create a class in the program? Just write class, the word class, and then the name of the class. After it, we will put 2 points, and then this is the content of the class. In the content of the class, we define variables and define functions. Here in this class, they did not define any variable. They just define one function, which is initiate. This function, initiate, is a constructor. What the meaning of constructor? Constructor is the function which creates the instance of the object of the class. So each class in Python should contain at least one initiation function. Okay, how to create the initiation function? Just like any function, write def, and then the name of it. This is the name. The name is standard. We should put the name like this: underscore init, and then underscore, and then 2 brackets. Between the 2 brackets, we should put the parameters of the constructor, which means the values that we should put it in the variables of the constructor. What is the variables here? Max speed and mileage, 2 variables. And there's here self. What the meaning of self here? Self, it means the same class. It means the same class. We are here in the same class. For now, just put it like this. Any initiation function you created, just put it like this. The first parameter, name itself, and then put the parameters that you want to use. Here in this example, there's 2 variables. Inside the function, you should put the 2 variables inside the class. How? Self dots, and you put the function, the variable's name. In this situation, Python will create variables inside the class. The first called max speed and second called mileage speed. What is the meaning here of self? Self, it means the same class, the same class. So in this class, self dot max speed. So in variable max speed in this class, put the value of max speed here in the parameter. And the same here, the variable mileage in self in this class, put inside it mileage variable here in parameter. So this will be here and this will be here. Okay, this is the initiation and this is the definition of the constructor function. After it, when we how to make a object of the class and then convert it to instance. This is it. This is how to use it. Create object just like any variable, name it any name, and then call the constructor function, which is the initiation function. How to call it? By using the same name of the class. What is the name of the class here? Vehicle. Just put the vehicle and then 2 brackets and give it the parameters, inputs. There is 2 inputs just. I told you this cell doesn't mean anything here. It's not parameter. So you cannot anyway call it in the code. Just here put the value of max speed and mileage, and then call it in vehicle constructor. So here this is a call of the initiation function by the name of the class. After calling it, the return value of this always the return value of constructor is a instance of the class. The instance of the class will be put in model X in this memory location. After that, I can print anything in model X. Model X is a copy of the class vehicle, so it contains max speed and mileage, just like this. Model X.max speed, it will return back 240. Model X.mileage, it will return back 18. And this is it.